Thank you for opening my door, Mother.
Sir.
You're the best.
See?
Thank you.
See how good I take care of my kids? I open the door for them.
Thank you. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. Hope your day is fantastic. So today we have some exciting stuff happening. We are going to a secret location. We have not been to this place in a very, very long time. It has been years. Like, I mean years. I've vlogged it there before. Like, back a long time ago. But I've never vlogged there. Like, it's gonna be fun. Hope you enjoy. And let's get going. I think we're about to leave. Jacob, you ready to go?
Yes.
Where are we going? You don't know. Nobody knows. Dad, are you ready to go?
Only garden.
Nate, you ready to go? They don't. Yeah, they don't know where. I know. Everybody else knows. Hey, Mom, are you ready to go?
I am ready to go. Are you ready to go?
Yes.
Are you gonna wear a hat?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Where are we going?
I have no idea.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go. are back home from Wet n Wild, which was a blast. I got a lot of footage.
Gregory, we figured it out.
What? Wait, what?
Sky Zone.
Sky Zone.
Sky Zone. It's open till 10.
They close. No, 11. They close at 11.
You guys want to go to Sky Zone?
bro.
Yes.
Sky Zone.
It would be a good vlog, but I think about.
That would be.
I'm
That'd
thinking
be
about.
content.
I'm thinking about Jump Street.
Oh yeah, it's cheap, dude. Jump seat's cheap.
It's a lot cheaper and there's a lot better stuff there.
Here, no.
Look it up. They're trying to find stuff for us to do tonight because we may get a group of people and we may go go to a park. We don't know. We may. So Wet n Wild was so Wet n Wild. Why did I say Wet n Wild? Hurricane Harbor was so much fun. We do have season passes. We got the season passes so we can use it for the month of September and a little bit of October, and then we also have those season passes for next summer. So be prepared for amazing content, guys. Amazing. I mean, like, the videos are gonna be awesome. So we are getting our house ready for tomorrow because we do have a family party. So I think I need to clean up my room. I gotta get the clothes off the bed, have to clean up this area, do all the that stuff. Hey Mom, what are you doing?
We're gonna go to the store really quick.
Okay, and then what?
I'm just trying to get all
Ready for tomorrow?
ready for tomorrow. I would prefer probably not to be this messy, but nobody is gonna come down.
Nobody's gonna come down the hallway, right? So yeah, we're gonna go to the store. It doesn't look like we're gonna be able to go
That one's
to
still possible. Something else.
Jump Street.
Something else.
They are thinking about something else. I don't know if it's gonna happen. We'll find out. They're thinking about AMC movies. We may.
I would go to the movies.
Or we may not go anywhere. We don't know. Bye, Jake and Bake. We'll see you after we go shopping. Guys, I'm sorry I haven't put them on the vlog in a long time. I got like a few comments saying, where are the fish? So Mom, what are we getting?
Just a few extra things that we need to get for the party tomorrow, like lettuce, tomatoes, jalapenos, pepperoncinis, mayonnaise, mustard, M&Ms, just stuff like that, and something for breakfast, so I don't have to cook.
Okay. Thank you for opening my door, Mother. You're the
Sir,
best.
see?
Thank you.
See how good I take care of my kids? I opened the door for that.
Thank you. What are you getting?
I'm gonna get a new mustard that we have never tried.
Let me see it.
This is our trial mustard for tomorrow. Extra hot ghost pepper.
But do we have regular mustard also?
Yes, I'm gonna get regular mustard also.
'Cause
But
I will
thought
not have that
This
mustard.
would be fun for Dad and Damon and Jacob may like it too. So anyhow.
I don't know. Maybe we'll have to do a little competition where we all have to try that. Wouldn't that be crazy?
Yes, that would be very tricky.
Are you gonna try it, Mom?
Absolutely not.
Absolutely not.
Jacob may like it.
Jacob may like it. You getting Capri Suns for tomorrow, or is that for school?
For school, just for something different, because I haven't done Capri Suns and
Grape Blast.
and I'm doing grape frost and strawberry.
Okay. Mom, no, come here. Don't get the small one. You gotta get this one, the big
I'm
one.
not getting that.
Here, come here.
No, I'm not fine.
What do you guys think? Do we need that big one? I think we do. Mom, why don't you want that big thing of syrup? We could drink that.
Oh.
You say M&M? Whoa, they moved the candy
I
aisle.
know what I needed.
They moved the candy aisle, right?
Yes,
Isn't it? Why did they put it over here? It looks like they made the candy aisle bigger.
Because it's like the other place that
Guys, these are so good. These are so good. They're amazing. I just had these the other day. Only thing that I don't like about them, they hurt your teeth after you eat it. So, yeah. You know what's also good? Laffy Taffy, Nerds, and all that. Oh my goodness. Candy, so much candy. What kind of M&Ms?
regular M&Ms and caramel M&Ms to mix with peanuts.
Okay. Sounds good. What's this? I've never seen this one before. Coffee nut. That's one that I've never heard of. Got hazelnuts. Peanut, whoa, are these new? Peanut butter M&Ms?
Are they?
I'm not a fan of peanut butter, but that sounds good for people that love it. These are my absolute favorite M&Ms. Caramel is also very, very good.
Are we ready? Hi, Gregory.
Hi, so how was the shopping trip? How was it?
Good. I'm excited for Dad. Look on his face when he brings all the special goodies I got him for tomorrow. For the first official day of Sunday football and party. Who's gonna have pretty
Yes,
good
tomorrow
records?
is the first official day of football.
Yeah.
Who's playing tomorrow?
Well, the night game is the Steelers and the Patriots.
Yeah?
Yeah.
When are the Cardinals playing? Because
Daytime, I think.
we are gonna win. We are gonna win. Okay,
Oh, I
guys.
forgot to get Dad a pot pie for dinner since he's not coming to dinner. I can have you come to the court for that.
Hey guys, gonna end the video here. What up? Alright, gonna end this vlog. If you guys enjoyed, what's up, Matthew? How you doing? You wanna say hi to the vlog? Say hi. Say hi to the vlog. You wanna see yourself? Here, look at the camera. Look. Is that you? Is that you?
No.
Yeah. Say bye to the. Can you say bye to the vlog? Say hi.
Bye.
Bye. Alright guys, if you enjoyed, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.